Hey everyone, it's Miss Mean here. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is so special for the beginner because we are going to learn about how to apply false lashes with some tips and tricks. So let's start the video.
You're so beautiful, and I can't deny my heart is always with you.
First of all, we need some things, which is scissors, tweezers, and a liquid eyeliner. I am using this liquid eyeliner. You can use the pen eyeliner or marker eyeliner as you wish. So first of all, I am going to apply a basic eyeliner. Basic eyeliner is most important when we apply the false lashes to get a natural look. You can check out this video. This is special for the beginners. So here is done. Secondly, to look more natural, I am going to apply this Huda Beauty Kajal pencil on my upper lash line. At the end you can check this look is more natural. And secondly, I am going to apply the mascara. I am using Fabulous Lash mascara. You can use any. As you can see, the result is awesome. Now the second most important step to check the lash glue. For testing it, you can take a small of your finger and do like this. If it's sticky, it's the best. I am using False Lashes Mink 3D. This is a real hair. Now the most important step, you have to pick your lashes from the outside, not the inside. First, you have to put the lashes without lash glue on your natural lashes and check the lash line. If the lashes is too longer, then you have to cut a small. I have cut this piece of lashes from outside, not the inner side. It's an important tip. Now the next step is you have to apply the lash glue on your false lashes and leave for 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Now an important step you have to do before you apply your lashes. Apply the lash glue and turn the round like this for 15 to 13 seconds and pick up and with the help of tweezers pick your lashes from the middle and apply on your natural lashes. So here is a tip: you have to follow your basic eyeliner which you applied and stick your lashes on the eyeliner, first middle and then outer and inner side. If you are easy, you can do it with the hand, and if you are beginner, you have to do this with your fingers. You will get the best results. Now press your false lashes with the help of tweezers back side, or you can use any brush. You can check a lot of videos on my channel as the Eid festival is coming, so this will also helpful for you. At the end, I am going to apply the mascara on my lower lash line. This will give you perfect look with the false lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned something new. If you learned something new, please don't forget to like, share my video and subscribe my channel if you are new. I'll see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, take care of yourself and follow me on Instagram, which is SuminIsHaq 555, and on Snack SuminIsHaq. Thank you so much. Bye guys.